Need a drink. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my latest video, which is a realistic evening routine while I am 14 weeks pregnant and home alone with my two sons. I'm going to start the evening at about 4 p.m. I have some shopping that I need to unload, so I'm just going to pack all of this away where it needs to go. My little one has finished his snack, so he's just giving me his bowl of once picking up, which he does pretty much every few minutes, and he's asked to go out in the garden, so that's good. I'm going to let him out there so that he can play while I sort out the school bags and the lunch boxes and put all of that away. I love opening up his bag and finding cute little artwork that I can keep and put on the fridge. Once that's done, both boys are busy either playing or watching TV, so I'm going to do a little bit of laundry because I've been meaning to do this all day, but I've been really fatigued and nauseous today and haven't got it done. So I'm just going to empty the drying rack, this big load of wet washing that needs to be either put in the tumble dryer or hung on the rack. And like I said, I've just really been putting this off because tasks like this are just harder when you are in that rough part of pregnancy where you just feel so gross all the time. But I'm going to make myself do it. Most of the washing is hung up and the bits that need to go in the tumble dryer is all turned on, so that is that task done. I'm going to grab myself a Pepsi. This caffeine-free Pepsi is an absolute godsend if you're pregnant, by the way. Again, my son wants picking up. I'm just going to take some time to sit down and chill before dinner. I'm going to sit with my kids, watch whatever rubbish they're watching on TV, watch my toddler play with his toys, and just make the most of sitting down for 5 minutes before I need to make their dinner. Okay, dinner time. Something I find really challenging at the moment due to the nausea and the smell sensitivities. I'm cooking them burgers, and raw meat is such a trigger for me. I literally have to hold my nose if I'm ever near raw meat. But I'm going to make myself do it because I told the boys that they could have burgers for dinner and they're excited about it now. So I'm going to put them in the air fryer to cook and prepare everything else on the plates. I honestly haven't had dinner with my boys for weeks now. My sickness is so much worse in the evening and has been for the past few weeks, so I can't have dinner. Like, it just makes me feel too sick. So the boys are just going to have it together on the table. I'm going to set them up with some drinks and their dinner, and they're going to sit together and have their burgers. Breakfast. Meanwhile, I'll have my very substantial dinner of a bag of salted hula hoops. I must go through 10 bags of these a day. They just hit the spot and help the nausea when it comes on strong. It's not old yet. When the boys have finished dinner, I'm going to come upstairs and fetch them some pajamas. They're not having a bath every night of the week at the moment due to me and how I'm feeling. As long as they have a bath at least every other night, that's just kind of making do at the moment. I'm brushing my teeth because that taste in my mouth is just unbearable in the evenings. I'm going to make them each some milk that they love to have just before they go to bed. They're just going to chill. No judge with the iPads, guys. Like, I need all the help I can get at the moment. I'm going to put on my fluffy dressing gown, take a deep breath because I've nearly got through the evening. I'm going to get the boys' bedrooms all cozy and ready for bedtime. My youngest goes to bed first at about 7 p.m. He's going to pick a book for us to read. We'll sit and read this together, and then I'll tuck him up in bed. My eldest then helps me tidy up the toys, bless him. As soon as we get this done, we sit together and have some time, just us two, watching whatever he wants to watch in the big living room, so he knows the quicker that we tidy up, the better. Not getting stuff out. Off. Who turned it on? I don't. And then we have the next 20 minutes or so just by ourselves. We always do this in the evening. It's his sort of time that he gets me on his own without his little brother. So we're going to sit and watch a Disney film that we started watching yesterday before it's time for him to go to bed. In your mouth. Can I see Alexa? once he's gone to bed, I know that that is another evening that I have survived on my own while feeling horrendous. Well done me. I'm going to force myself to do some skincare, which is the last thing I want to do in the evenings, but I'm going to make myself do it because I know I'll feel better in the morning if I'm feeling fresh. So I am going to do my face, put on some night cream, etc. And I'm literally going to bed. It must be, I don't know, 8 p.m, but some nights I just cannot bear to stay up and I'm just feeling so sick that the only thing to do is to go to sleep. So even though it's broad daylight outside, I'm going to climb into bed with my Kindle and call it a day. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.